Data can be described as unprocessed facts and figures. Plain collected data as raw facts cannot help in decision making. However, data is the raw material that is organized, structured, and interpreted to create useful information systems. Data is defined as groups of non-random symbols in the form of text, images, voice representing quantities, action and objects. Information is interpreted data, created from organized, structured, and processed data in a particular context. Information is a data that has been processed into a form that is meaningful to recipient and is of real or perceived value in the current or the prospective action or decision of recipient. Information processing has transformed our society in numerous ways. From a business perspective, there has been a huge shift towards increasingly automated business processes and communication. Access to information and capability of information processing has helped in achieving greater efficiency in accounting and other business processes. A complete business information system accomplishes the following functionalities: collection and storage of data. Transform these data into business information useful for decision making. Provide controls to safeguard data. Automate and streamline reporting. The following list summarizes the 5 main uses of information by businesses and other organizations. Planning. At the planning stage, information is the most important ingredient in decision making. Information at planning stage includes that of business resources, assets, liabilities, plants and machineries, properties, suppliers, customers, competitors, market and market dynamics, fiscal policy changes of the government, emerging technologies, etc. Recording - business processing these days involves recording information about each transaction or event. This information collected, stored and updated regularly at the operational level. Controlling - a business need to set up an information filter, so that only filtered data is presented to the middle and top management. This ensures efficiency at the operational level and effectiveness at the tactical and strategic level. Measuring - a business measures its performance metrics by collecting and analyzing sales data, cost of manufacturing, and profit earned. Decision-making - is primarily concerned with managerial decision-making, theory of organizational behavior, and underlying human behavior in organizational context. Decision-making information includes the socio-economic impact of competition, globalization, democratization, and the effects of all these factors on an organizational structure. Enterprise applications are specifically designed for the sole purpose of promoting the needs and objectives of the organizations. Enterprise applications provide business-oriented tools supporting electronic commerce, enterprise communication and collaboration, and web-enabled business processes both within a networked enterprise and with its customers and business partners. Online shopping, billing and payment processing, interactive product catalog, content management, customer relationship management, manufacturing and other business processes integration, IT services management, enterprise resource management, human resource management, business intelligence management, business collaboration and security, form automation. Management Information System, MIS. Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP. Customer Relationship Management, CRM. Decision Support System, DSS. Knowledge Management Systems, Kilometers. Content Management System, CMS. Executive Support System, ESS. Business Intelligence System, BIS. Enterprise Application Integration, EAI. Business Continuity Planning (BCP), Supply Chain Management (SCM). A Management Information System (MIS) is a computerized database of financial information organized and programmed in such a way that it produces regular reports on operations for every level of management in a company. It is usually also possible to obtain special reports from the system easily. The main purpose of the MIS is to give managers feedback about their own performance. Top management can monitor the company as a whole. Information displayed by the MIS typically shows actual data over against planned results and results from a year before, thus it measures progress against goals. The MIS receives data from company units and functions. Some of the data are collected automatically from computer-linked checkout counters, others are keyed in at periodic intervals. Routine reports are pre-programmed and run at intervals or on demand, while others are obtained using built-in query languages. Display functions built into the system are used by managers to check on status at desk-side computers connected to the MIS by networks. Many sophisticated systems also monitor and display the performance of the company's stock. The terms Management Information Systems (MIS), Information Management Systems (IMS), Information System is Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP), Computer Science, Electrical Computer Engineering, and Information Technology Management (IT) are often confused. MIS is a hierarchical subset of information systems. MIS are more organization-focused, narrowing in on leveraging information technology to increase business value. Computer science is more software-focused, dealing with the applications that may be used in MIS. Electrical computer engineering is product-focused, mainly dealing with the architecture behind computer systems. ERP software is a subset of MIS, and IT management refers to the technical management of an IT department, which may include MIS. First era, mainframe and mini-computer computing. Second era, personal computers. Third era, client-server networks. Fourth era, enterprise computing. Fifth era, cloud computing. The purpose of a MIS is improved decision-making by providing up-to-date, accurate data on a variety of organizational assets, including financials, inventory, personnel, project timelines, manufacturing, real estate, marketing, raw materials, R&D. The goal of a MIS is to be able to correlate multiple data points in order to strategize ways to improve operations. For example, being able to compare sales this month to sales a year ago by looking at staffing levels may point to ways to boost revenue. Or being able to compare marketing expenditures by geographic location and link them to sales can also improve decision-making. But the only way this level of analysis is possible is due to data that is compiled through an MIS. The goals of an MIS are to implement the organizational structure and dynamics of the enterprise for the purpose of managing the organization in a better way and capturing the potential of the information system for competitive advantage. Following are the basic objectives of an MIS: capturing data minus capturing contextual data, or operational information that will contribute in decision-making from various internal and external sources of organization. Processing data minus the captured data is processed into information needed for planning, organizing, coordinating, directing and controlling functionalities at strategic, tactical and operational level. Processing data means minus making calculations with the data, sorting data, classifying data and summarizing data. Information storage minus information or processed data need to be stored for future use. Information retrieval minus the system should be able to retrieve this information from the storage as and when required by various users. Information propagation minus information or the finished product of the MIS should be circulated to its users periodically using the organizational network. The three components of MIS provide a more complete and focused definition, where system suggests integration and holistic view, information stands for process data, and management is the ultimate user, the decision makers. Management. Management covers the planning, control, and administration of the operations of a concern. The top management handles planning, the middle management concentrates on controlling, and the lower management is concerned with actual administration. Information. Information, in MIS, means the process data that helps the management in planning, controlling and operations. Data means all the facts arising out of the operations of the concern. Data is process that is recorded, summarized, compared and finally presented to the management in the form of MIS report. System. Data is processed into information with the help of a system. A system is made up of inputs, processing, output and feedback or control. Thus MIS means a system for processing data in order to give proper information to the management for performing its functions. Following are the characteristics of an MIS. It should be based on a long-term planning. It should provide a holistic view of the dynamics and the structure of the organization. It should work as a complete and comprehensive system covering all interconnecting subsystems within the organization. It should be planned in a top-down way, as the decision makers or the management should actively take part and provide clear direction at the development stage of the MIS. It should be based on need of strategic, operational and tactical information of managers of an organization. It should also take care of exceptional situations by reporting such situations. It should be able to make forecasts and estimates, and generate advanced information, thus providing a competitive advantage. Decision makers can take actions on the basis of such predictions. It should create linkage between all subsystems within the organization, so that the decision makers can take the right decision based on an integrated view. It should allow easy flow of information through various subsystems, thus avoiding redundancy and duplicity of data. It should simplify the operations with as much practicability as possible. Although the MIS is an integrated, complete system, it should be made in such a flexible way that it could be easily split into smaller subsystems as and when required. A central database is the backbone of a well-built MIS.